A very good morning, students. Today we are now going to learn how to write diary entry. As we are very well known that it is the part of our writing skill. Diary, it is a kind of personal document in which a personal journally records a description of a day of his or her life. So, ideally, a diary is written every day, but it is up to the individual's own choice whether to write daily or only on the days when there is something special to record. One can record descriptions of people, places, or things, experiences, emotions, and some private thoughts. Before we start writing our daily diary, we need to remember some points. That is, write the date, day, and time. And a diary is always written in the first person. The language used is informal. Contracted forms are used. Minimum 4 feelings word should be used to express our feelings. Organize the content in minimum 3 paragraphs. Use personal pronouns. So students, you need to know the format first of all. So how do you write? First of all, you will write at the top diary entry, and extreme left hand side you will write date, day, and time. And thereafter, you will leave a line and write salutation, in which you will write Dear Diary. And as I told you earlier, you need to write in 3 paragraphs. And in the opening paragraph, in the opening sentence, must be like this. It should be a journal sentence describing the day or a momentary feelings. After opening sentence, the body will come, in which you will details of the event or experience and your feelings and your reactions too. Thereafter, you will describe all the situations in the body, and later you will write the conclusion. That should be your final remark or future course of action. And at the end, you will sign off yours and you will write name. And even you may write good night over here too. Here, student, I am giving you a diary entry for practicing. You read a horror story recently which left a deep impact on your mind. Write a diary entry describing that section of the story which left a deep impact on your mind. You are Shushan Shushila. I hope that students, you will definitely watch this video and try to grab all the important points which has been mentioned over here, and try to write this practice diary entry which has been given to all of you. Thank you so much, students.